All right, guys, got kind of a fun story for you here today. So I got this baler absolutely free, other than I just had to pay to have it shipped here. So quick story, I'll try to make it quick, but I was looking at a baler just like this that was at auction, and a guy came over to me and said, "Hey, are you looking for one of these balers?" I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "Well, I've got one. I'll give you a really good deal on." Well, long story short, we sit there and chat for a while and end up having a lot in common. He grew up in the same religion as me, and anyways, he was a retiring farmer out there in Oregon, and really nice guy, really cool. And at the end of our conversation, he said, "Hey, you seem like a really good guy. I just want to give this to you." I'm like, "Oh, wow, that's generous of you." So anyways, I got some shipping quotes and got it shipped from Eastern Oregon out to Eastern Idaho, where I live. So that cost a couple $1,000, but it's a free baler. So anyways, bale count on it, as I remember, is just shy of 60,000. It hasn't baled hay in about 8 years. He got a 3x4 baler. He upgraded and just kept this one as a backup, but it never was used. So it's been sitting for a while, but there's nothing that would lead me to believe that it won't work. So I've kind of just been going through it. I'll open this up here. Let's see. So I've just been cleaning it up. Inside here, there's just full of bird nests. You can still see some of the bird crap up there. So, and then the twine was all over the place. So I've rerouted the twine and pressure washed off the whole thing, because I mean, this thing was just covered in bird crap. There's a whole bunch of nests in here I had to clean out, and but man, it's all really, really tight. I mean, the bell count's fairly low. There's a bunch of new parts on it. How I know that is just because, like, this one's different color. There's different color pieces all over the baler, on the knotters and random places, but gonna have to figure out a new hitch for it. That one broke, but yeah, it's pretty cool. As my grandpa always used to tell me, he said, anything free is worth saving for. So yeah, free baler, and really generous of the guy. But I actually just got a 2190. My neighbor had theirs at auction, and it went for really cheap. So it's just down the road. I didn't have to pay to ship it, and I know the guy, and he said, it's a good baler. The bale count's a little bit higher, but so I'm trying to decide what to do with this now. I hate to sell it because it was just given to me, but maybe I'll, just sell it for about what I've got into it and pay it forward. But yeah, because I don't really need a backup baler, because I've got my 3x3 baler over there, and I'll probably still put up majority 3x3 bales, just because I kind of have a niche market doing that. But I don't have my small balers anymore, and I like having a backup baler. So yeah, I'm thinking I might put this one up for sale and just see what happens. There was actually one of these 4910 that went at that same auction. I think it ended up selling for $1,000. So who knows? I might not even be able to get anything out of it. Guess what I'm videoing? Introduce you to Ribby. We've been graining him. He's going to go into the freezer in a couple weeks. So if you've watched my other videos with the cows, he's the son of Bernie. He's 2 years old. The previous owners, for some reason, bred a Scottish Highlander to a Angus. So, and this is what resulted. So yeah, we've kept him, and right now he's eating my best fourth crop hay, and grading him hard, and he's getting big. So should make some good eating for us.